Hi guys, quick video on how to get dual battery redundancy into your new SF10 Pro I should say. Here we have a typical setup. We've got the radio, we've got a receiver. You can use two receivers if you want to, but I've only got one at the moment. And here we have a dual battery redundancy setup. So I'm using the two AR Power 6400 Li-on packs and I'm connecting them to the multi-switch. The multi-switch is a dual battery backer system and it has dual outputs, although we can connect one high-powered output out of that into the SF10 Pro. And you'll see that if I click on my screen and I go into my input monitor and I move my dials or move my sticks, you'll see that everything is working perfectly. So if you want to add dual battery redundancy, you can just add a multi-switch to your new SF10 Pro. The other output can be used to power the receiver, or on a 20-channel setup, if you've got dual receivers, you can actually use the second output to power a second SF10 Pro, and that'll actually give you 20 physical, gyro-controlled, high-powered outputs. I'll have a video later about this sort of setup where you've got two SF10 Pros and you've actually got 20 outputs. But for the moment, this is a really quick and easy way to add dual battery redundancy and failsafe switching to your new SF10 Pro. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching that video. If you liked what you saw and want more information, you can head over to our website, boomerrc.com, or for the US site, us.boomerrc.com. If you want more videos, you can check out our Facebook page, Advanced Radio, or you can head over to our YouTube channel, Rick Gel Boomer RC. Thanks guys, and stay tuned for more.